apartment in our building. There's a very good reason why we're switching units. Anyone walking by to go up to their apartment literally can see right directly into our apartment, and because of that, it kind of makes you feel like we can't open any blinds. This one became available that I'm in right now. Here's the kitchen. So we don't have the island anymore, which we're a little sad about, but honestly being able to open the windows makes up for it. And then as you can see, we have a window here and a window here. So we're getting a lot more natural light, dishwasher and everything. And right here is the living area. It's definitely a little bit bigger than our last apartment, so it's an upgrade. Thinking to put like the TV there and then the couch here. And this is the balcony. This is our favorite part, is we can have the windows all the way open and not have everyone staring directly at us. And a little cute palm tree right here. And right here is the other side of the living room. So we think we're gonna put like a cute little dining table there. And then here's the hallway down here. This is the bedroom. I started like taping up where I want things to go. The bedroom is pretty much the same size as our current bedroom. Closet here. And the best part is that we're just gonna be able to like see life out there, whereas our last apartment can't see anything. There's the bedroom, and if you keep walking this way, here's the bathroom. We have a little window there, which we didn't have before. It's slightly a bigger bathroom than we had before. This vanity is longer, so there's more counter space. Now it's time to get started moving everything. I need to work out more because going up these stairs is like making me out of breath. Oh my god. I'm taking a really quick break to put my hair up. The really cool thing about moving in the same building is we don't have to hire movers and we don't have to box everything up because we can literally just carry things up little by little. It cuts out costs. You don't have to buy boxes, pay for a mover, or anything like that. Here's my little worker bee.
Wow.
Is day 2 of the move. Dom and I have been bringing things up all morning. Our friend came to help and he was like such a big help. He helped with all the big furniture. Him and Dom moved everything. This is the literal state of the living room right now. Wish me luck. Gonna look really cute when it's done. It's gonna be a long weekend, but I honestly really enjoy organizing. I like everything to have a place and like everything to be kept neat and nice. So I feel like I'm gonna have fun this weekend organizing everything. So here's gonna be my vanity section. I'm gonna fill all these with makeup. I emptied out a bunch of makeup, so I'm gonna go through everything and see if there's anything I wanna get rid of. But basically this was packed to the brim before. Mirrors for Anthropologie, which I'm obsessed with. I think it's gonna be really cute once I get all my stuff, my decor put out. I feel like the plan of attack is at least get this apartment somewhere where we can sleep comfortably tonight. So I feel like the first thing we need to do is get sheets on the bed, put lamps on the bedside table. Isn't this vase so cute? It's like a little ceramic vase. Brown stone coasters. Alright, so this is the bed. Look at the view. I'm so excited to have this view. I'm so happy, like, just looking out into the world. I have 2 baskets I'm gonna put down on each side. This bed has drawers that go in all the sides around it, which is amazing because it's basically like another dresser. The drawers are all installed. So let me know if you guys have any good suggestions of what I should get above my bed. I wanna get some sort of artwork. I don't know if I wanna buy it or do I do a DIY. We have a curtain rod downstairs that we have to get. We have to bring up still. We just have to undrill it. It's coming together. I want to do some DIY things and just more decorating. It's a couple days later. Dom's still at work right now, so my goal right now is to organize all of his clothes, color coordinate them. I've always been like that. Like, I like my clothes to all be organized, color coordinated. So I feel like it's time to give Dom the same organization. I've been honestly wanting to organize his closet for a while. Now's the time. We're moving into a new wardrobe and I'm excited because that means I'm gonna have this whole closet to myself, both sides, which is gonna give me a lot more room. Definitely need more storage. This is Dom's side of the closet. His shoes are down there. There's really not enough room to put everything. And anytime he tries to grab pants down from the top, that happens. This is the new wardrobe that we got. Definitely has enough room for his clothes. So it has like this for all the shirts and then this for all the pants and stuff like that, shoes. So it's definitely a good size. I'm excited to organize. here's his closet, all color coordinated. I decided to do it by like style. T-shirts here, and then all his like long sleeves and dress shirts here. Jerseys and then jackets. I hung up these little command hooks so he can hang his belts there. Shorts at the top, couple, and then it goes into the pants. He has his underwear and socks and some hats, and then in the back are sneakers and like workout-y type shoes. He has a bunch of these t-shirts for under the dress shirts, and then a bunch of like nicer type shoes. So I also have some baskets I can put up there eventually. All right, so it's all organized. This is like day 3 of filming this vlog, I think. I've been working so long trying to get everything unpacked. You know how it is moving. It literally takes forever. I honestly enjoy the organizing process, so it hasn't been too painful. We also got the dining table and chairs, so I wanted to put those together tonight. Here's what I have to do. This is the table, the chairs, and then curtains. Dom hung the curtain rod the other day. I just want to peek at the chairs. They look so pretty. Got these like light wood and then these like cushioned seats. I'm so excited. And then this is a white table. So then this is the balcony so far. I kind of want to get different pillows for this eventually, just because I feel like these blend in too much. But very cute so far. Same thing for this. Still need to figure out some sort of artwork. I want to get like a little hanging plant. I also thought it could be really cute to get like a little flower box thing hanging over this side. One of the things I love is that when you sit, this is like high and it's like solid, so no one can see over it. That's like the best part because I have privacy. I can come in here in pajamas or whatever I want and not feel like anyone's like looking at us. And now I'm going to tackle these table and chairs. Dom's at work right now, so I could just wait till he comes home to help me, but do you guys ever have those things where like when you get something new, you just like need to get it open and need to get it set up like right that second? Because that's how I am. Let me know if you guys are like that, but I just like need to get this done and then feel like I'll have like a clear mind for the rest of the night. I'm gonna try to get this done within like an hour. Is that realistic? I don't know, we're gonna try. I literally moved 2 boxes, that's all I did and my back already hurts. I also don't know why I have this hammer in my hand. 3 a.m. Alexa, play Justin Bieber. Look who just FaceTimed me on his break. He's eating chicken and rice. Every time he's on a break, he'll FaceTime when he's eating. Now it's gotta be, so let it